comfort Nkanda. It be like all those jars where your papa they do up and they be like saying that your sense now you collect they go do one. It be like so when your papa go there say want do jazz so that you go see jazz stay they fight to odogwu. So the answer say the only way where you go fit get the jazz now to bring somebody sense make they take do one. So who you love pass for your children now the sense now you go bring come. So now you say now comfort in love pass now you carry comfort sense you give them. So make they take prepare jazz for that. Right now as we they talk now comfort no get sense again. So a brain is empty. His brain is empty. Chai! Because even primary school pikin or KG1 pikin not go talk the way comfort they talk. That make me the talk say his brain is empty. You say more dog go enter inside house, go bring the husband snatcher. Make it with the pikin come up for the house. Are you listening to yourself as a reasonable woman? That is why I say all those jazz where your papa they do up and down, and your sense they go do one because you not get one. You not get one. Aye. It's a shameful thing. But before I go into the matter, let me greet you. I greet you according to your time. Wherever you are watching me for, it's your girl, Linda TV. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion is highly welcome in the comment section. My people, I bet make na help me as comfort Nkanda say, she and odogwu woman who be husband snatcher. She will be one night stand in influence of alcohol. Even as odogwu take knock herself, maybe probably they even ask odogwu question, not go even remember. Whether comfort Ikpeku's title, whether a wide wow, like well, odogwu, I'm not sure say he go remember. Because it was in the influence of alcohol. After that one, I not see the Igbola shop again, but the pepper. Then you the tell person where be say he dey in relationship with the person maybe for years before belle can enter. He don't shop the Igbola shopper. He can't belle full because he can't come out. Not be one night mistake where we ever even know whether now odogwu get am. Whether now odogwu get am, we ever even know because when they born the pikin at DNA they go do. As I they look yourself, you never look like person where even get better self. You never look like person where get better because if now the first pregnancy where you they get like this, different sign go there your body. This energy where that one should be another video. So you open your mouth, they say odogwu na your husband. Chai, oh, chai. That is why I say your papa use your sense to do jazz. Make you see power till they fight to odogwu. Fight small pikin wey born in mate. Oh, odogwu. Indigbo say odogwu. Oh, indigbo say odogwu. I never see woman wey no get sense like this. You are really senseless. Even my 5 years old pikin get sense pass you. You say odogwu should go inside. Tell the way you dey even dey command. So for example, now let's joke about. Let's just say some reality now. For example, now so odogwu calls okay, I want to marry comfort as a wife. So is it like this? Now you go stand, they command odogwu. Is it like this? You can't take over the now you can't be ma at the same time woman in the house. Now you can't they command what it go happen. Your leg never ever strong for house. They never ever marry you. You never ever know. You not even know your left and right as you did so. The person where you say you get belle for, not even want you. None of them want you in the company, yet you want to command. You see, you are very senseless. That is why I say your papa use your sense, they go do jazz. You use your sense, they go do jazz. Because this don't show where you did so, now you supposed to don't mellow down pass. They reason your life. They think, say, they beg God, say, God, this mistake where you do, so may God forgive you. So that you feel pick your pieces of life back. So after this whole scenario, you go feel gather yourself. God go bring another man for you, he go marry you. No. That is why I say you are so senseless. You see, odogwu go inside, go bring and make them come out for the house. Now that the bouncer, all of them don't go. The people where they play the drum, they don't go. Now you should go inside. If you go inside by yourself, you will not like you. You will not see the way you are talking. More odogwu go inside. Go carry a pikin, come out. They tell him, mama say, yeah. Comfort has given order. Come and go. Carry my pikin. Carry. Me sure the pikin is not for me. Carry go. Carry go another house. It's not my home. You see, Hi God, when I say you no get sense, your own, your own, even small one, in no day. Pikin where they born today, where they, that mama where they carry for hand, get sense pass you. Get sense pass you. Look at the way you are, as if saying that you even contributed in buying the bulb. And I'm not even talking of the building, no, the bulb, one bulb for that house. See the way you dey tell number one, say keep quiet, as if it's your mate. You dey tell your auntie say make it come out for house, make it go your husband house. Person where they take care of a woman where newborn, where they on mugwo. Now you dey say make it come out, as if say now you get house. It should go back to his husband. You now there be your husband house. That place is in your husband house. You are really shameless. It's shame that person name is supposed to be your name because you don't have one. You the boss balloon. And that make me say you don't get sense. You the boss balloon. You see as they laugh you. You see what you call a traffic, they tell you say you are a very shameless woman. You are a very shameless woman. You see traffic is telling you. Even auntie will be they support you before say you should go back to your father's house. You should go back to your father's house. Now you are consistent. Every bad character of your papa just use a gum you. As a woman where you be, even if you resemble your papa, not be everything for they resemble your papa, oh, your evil heart, the bad character, everything. When your papa they go King Palace, you know say as your papa they talk. If your papa reason and other ones, the rest of them reason is not the same. It's not the same. Because your father they behave childishly. It's not the same. The way they talk, so you know say whether your papa to not get sense, I don't know. You say, odogwu don't tell you say who be your husband? Who be your husband? You not see matter why. You say you don't want to explain yourself. Why you don't want to explain yourself? You would have said that you are my husband, you paid my dowry. How? You not get shame, oh. From eating for table, can't they eat for grant? Aye. Eating for table, can't they eat for grant? After that, they call you madam, so and so. Now you can't become waiting and one caller. Guys, share this video.